All right, what's going on? Tyrion Hawkins here. I'm the Passive Income Guru. I want to welcome you to the Azha Trader. In this short video, I'm going to show you the steps you need to take to set up your auto trader. Okay. Now you should have already gotten a PDF. Make sure you go over that PDF, read over it to get familiar with what we're doing. All right, and this is going to be a straight to the point video. Okay. Now the first thing you have to do is to get a VPS server. VPS stands for Virtual Private Server. This allows your trades or your computer to continue to work for you while it's sleeping, while it's off, while you're working on it, and vice versa. The VPS is needed. It is required for your system to work properly. So make sure you get the VPS. I'm going to leave a link below this video so that you can go ahead and get the VPS. And all you need is the basic version. Let me repeat. All you need is the basic version, which is going to cost you $29.99 a month. And then before you check out on step number 2, you want to make sure you change the location from New York to Amsterdam. One more time, before you check out, before you pay, on step 2, you need to change New York to Amsterdam, and then you want to go ahead and check out. Okay. Once you get your VPS, the next step you want to do is get your losing my train of thought here. You want to get your Forex broker. Your Forex broker. So the one that I recommend is Prosperity Forex. Okay, this is the one I recommend right here. And let me go ahead and put the code in here. Give me 1 second. Give me 1 second. All right, here we go. Okay, so you're going to have to set this same two-factor code up as well. Now, when you get inside of here, the reason I like this is because you don't have to have any verifications or anything like that. You don't have to send in your utility bill or upload a license. So it's a straight shot. You're going to be able to fund your account from here. Okay. Now, what you want to do first is download. You want to go to your Play Store on your iPhone or your Android, and you want to download what's called Google Authenticator. One more time, Google Authenticator, because what's going to happen is when we go here, when you sign up for a new account and you go here to create an account for your MetaTrader 4 and you hit create account, it's going to pop up a two-factor authenticator box is going to pop up right here in the middle, and it's going to ask you to set that up. Okay. So you want to follow the directions and set up the two-factor authenticator code. In order to do that, oh, 1 second. You want to make sure you go to your app store and download Google Authenticator. All right. And then you want to open the Google Authenticator app. And at the top right, there should be a plus sign. You want to click on that plus sign and you're going to scan. Okay, you're going to scan the QR code, okay? And then you're going to be able to, that's going to allow you to set up this Google Authenticator. If you have any questions about that, it's pretty straightforward. Let me know, and we'll go from there, okay? Now, once you have your two-factor authenticator code set up, now you can go to My Accounts, okay? Click on Create Account. You want to go to MT4 ECN. You want to select USD, and you want to select 500. And then you want to hit create account. Once you do that, you're going to get an email. Okay? You're going to get an email. Make sure you save that email. You should have also got an email also for Forex VPS with your login information. And then once you create the account here, you're going to get a login information for your MetaTrader 4 login for Prosperity FX. Make sure you hold on to that email, okay? Because you're going to be using both of these login information. Okay. The next step is you have to deposit funds in order for you to actually, before we can actually create this account, we got to deposit funds. Okay. So here's the source that I use to deposit funds. One of the sources, you want to sign up. You're going to go to xcoins.com. That's xcoins.com. You want to create an account. Okay. Once you create an account, it's going to take you back to this window, and you want to go ahead and put in how much you want to buy. Okay. Maybe it's $100, $150, to whatever it is. Put it right here. Okay. And then you want to hit buy Bitcoin. It's going to take you to another section or page. All right. That's where it's going to ask for your credit card or debit card. It's going to ask you for some verification as well. So be prepared to do that, to verify your card, verify who you are. Okay. So please, again, be prepared. Be prepared to verify yourself. And then once you verify yourself, then you're going to be able to buy the Bitcoin. Okay. Now, one more step before you can buy. They're going to ask you for your Bitcoin address. Okay. They're going to ask you for your Bitcoin address. So what you have to do, let me use another account. Now, this is the same process, but I'm just going to go to another one of my brokers and show you this. It's the same process. Don't sign up for Hugo's Way. Just use this same process once you come over here to Xcoins. So you're going to go to deposit funds. You're going to pick USD. You're going to pick Bitcoin. And amount to deposit, I'm just going to put $50 because I'm just showing you guys, what you need to get the Bitcoin address. So this is how we're going to get the Bitcoin address. All right. Not in Hugo's Way. You're going to do everything over here. Okay. You're going to do everything over here. All right. Again, in order to deposit in here, you need to go to deposit funds. Okay. Before we can create an account, we got to deposit funds. Okay. All right. So you go to, actually, let me just go ahead and do this, guys. So I'm gonna go to USD, make a deposit, Bitcoin. Okay. And then let's do $50. Okay, so disregard this over here. Let me exit out. I don't want to confuse you. Okay, so when you say, hey, I want to buy Bitcoins from Xcoins, when you hit buy, they're going to ask you for your Bitcoin address. So you come over here, you hit deposit funds, proceed to payments. Okay, it's going to load. This is the Bitcoin address you need right here. It's going to be valid for 14 or 15 minutes. This right here is the Bitcoin address that you want. You want to copy it. And when you hit buy over here, it's going to ask for that Bitcoin address. You paste it over there and then you proceed. And then you're going to be able to buy Bitcoin and go through the verification process. Should be a pretty smooth process after you do that. Okay. Now, after you are funded, let me go back. After you are funded, it's going to show up right here. Okay, it's going to show up right here. So then once it's here, you got to do what's called an internal transfer. You got to transfer the money from the wallet, which is the wallet. Okay, you see the little icon, to your MT4. Okay, so you're going to pick MT4 USD and whatever the amount is right here, put it right here and hit request transfer and you're done. Okay. Now, after you've done all of that, okay, remember, you have to deposit first. You got to deposit first before you can create an account. Let me repeat. Before you can create an account, your MT4 account, like I have here, okay, you have to deposit funds. And you go over here to Xcoins to do so. Once you've done all of this, the next step is Here's your next step. You want to open up your email. Okay, I'm going to go to my email address. You want to open up your email. Okay. You're gonna compose it. You're gonna send an email to the company. So it's gonna be Azha Analytics. See that? AZHAANALYTICS@gmail.com. Azha Analytics. AZHAANALYTICS@gmail.com. In the subject line, you want to put ready for installation. Okay, and then in the body here, you want to put your Forex. You want to send your Forex VPS login info and your Prosperity FX login info that's tied to your MT4. Okay, if you don't know what I'm talking about, remember you have to deposit the funds first through X coins. Okay, once you deposit the funds, now you can go and create an account right here. Once you create the account, okay, you pick this right here, the first one, ECN, USD, and 500. Once you hit create account, it's going to send you an email. That login information that you get from this broker, MT4, you're going to put here as well. All of it, the password, the login information. Same thing for Forex VPS. You're going to put the login information. Everything that they sent you to log into your virtual private server is going to be sent to the company. And after that, you're done. Okay, let me say that again. After you send this, you're done. Now your account can start trading. But again, we're not going to start trading again until the 16th of November because of elections and everything. And we're going to wait till everything die down. Okay. So hopefully this video was helpful to you. If you got any questions, please feel free to reach out. All right. And looking forward to your success. Take care.